Hi everybody, I'm Brandon Grant, an implementation consultant with FIELDBOSS, and today I'm going to be speaking to you about service activity statuses and times on our mobile app. So with service activity on mobile allows technicians in the field to capture their exact clock in time, site arrival, and clock out times, all with the click of a button. So when a technician is ready to begin working on a service activity, they simply select the clock in button here, and the app will capture this change in real time. The technician would then begin traveling to the job site, and once they've arrived, they can then select the arrived button here, which will capture that exact date and time. If, for instance, the technician selected this maybe too early or too late, they can have the ability to adjust this so that they're providing the office with exact times. And all these changes translate to adjustments on the FIELDBOSS Schedule Board, which is reviewable by the service or dispatch manager. So they can see these modifications to the service activity as they're happening to get a better sense of where their technicians are at a given point during the day. And they can see how they're progressing through their workload and adjust accordingly. So yellow means that the technician is clocked in, they're currently driving to this service. Orange means that they've arrived and are working on it. And green means that they've completed it and have moved on to the next service activity on their board. Jumping back to the mobile app. So once the technician has arrived, they've worked on that service activity for the day, they then have the ability to clock out. Once they select the clock out button, they still can adjust this time so that they're providing the office with good information. They can then save and mark it as done. And once they do this, all these times and information will translate to the time card associated to the service activity, which eliminates the need for any paper forms as it is all reviewable and editable from the app itself by the technician, so they can make any changes that they need to. This has been a brief overview of service activity statuses and times on mobile. Thanks.